So you guys are the hands that will be building this.
The cold temperatures and windy conditions.
You guys are going to have this awesome task of bringing all the stuff in the trailer out to us at the wall.
Didn't stop the dozens of volunteers
Thank you very much.
from showing up early to assemble the wall that heals.
We got multiple veterans on our team, so when we asked if you want to help, a lot of hands got raised.
The home construction company Taylor Morrison closed up shop for the day, lending a helping hand building the replica of the Vietnam Veterans Memorial at Audubon Park in Garland.
This is contributing back to the veterans that gave all for us. I mean, what else could you ask for, right? So when this opportunity comes along, you jump on it to pay your respects.
Actually in the middle, huh? This one.
Frame by frame,
It's good? Yeah, you're good right there.
panel by panel, volunteers carried, hammered, and assembled the wall. Among the volunteers, several veterans.
A lot of people in Vietnam didn't have the chance to volunteer. They were kind of told to go there, and we're kind of here just paying our respects. So
to see the number of names on the wall, it'll give you a kind of an idea of how many people actually went and gave their lives, and that's a heck of a thing.
This is our way of showing that respect. Thank you for your service. Thank you for all that you did. Thank you for your sacrifices. So sorry it was so rough then coming home, but now we welcome you with open arms. This is basically the only way we can show that is by setting up events like this so that we can see the history on the wall.